Let's talk about how to use a Diamante poem to process emotions. We'll talk about what it is, how to write one, and how to use it to process your emotions. A Diamante is a 7-line poem with 2 subjects, one starting at the top and one starting at the bottom. For the purpose of this exercise, the 2 subjects you use will be opposites from each other. The top one will be an experience that you had that was difficult to get through, and the bottom one will be something that helps you to get through. Your poem is going to have limited words, so it's important to make sure that the words represent the way that you're feeling. Use a thesaurus to help you come up with the right words to express exactly how you're feeling. The idea of this exercise is that you're creating a poem that you can use to put into a creative outlet. You want to be creating something from this, whether it's food or art or music. I wrote a Diamante poem that I turned into a song. I want to share the song with you and talk about my writing process. As a teenager, I struggled with friends, like most people do. A lot of times I struggled to feel secure in friendships. I wrote this Diamante about myself. This has been a really healing process. I chose my C chord with the major 7 and my F chord because going back and forth, I think, between the 4 and the 1 with that plagal cadence gives it this like endless feel, like it's never going to really be complete. And I really, really wanted to give this this very circular feel. I also intentionally modulated and changed keys in the middle of the piece. I wanted it to really sound like the second half of the Diamante was different. It's telling a different story. The mood changes halfway through because the first half is about sadness and rejection and friendship ending. The second part is about new friendship, genuine friendship, feeling safe in a friendship with a good friend. And I wanted the music to reflect that it's similar but different. I really enjoyed this writing process. The compositional techniques I used were very intentional. Music therapists will use these poems to help clients process challenging experiences. My hope with this is that you can write your own Diamante and that you can creatively express this push and pull between a hard experience and it's going to get better, to help yourself to take something difficult and to process it and to move through it. Go be creative. Go process your difficult situations and emotions. Being creative is important. Being creative is what gives us hope.